All right, in this video, we are going to go ahead and test it. And you'd expect if we go to RFB Spring Framework Guru that we would see our application. However, we're getting a service unavailable. So let's take a couple of look at things. And I'm going to show you some of the troubleshooting. So if I come up here and I am in the logs, actually I'm going to show you the path. So I am in var log httpd, and these are the Apache logs. I have access log and error log. So let's take a look at the error log. I'm going to do a tail minus F on him and come back over here. I'll make a refresh on that. And you can see that we're getting some chatter here about not being able to connect. So what's happening is it can't talk to it. So right now I don't know if it can't talk to it because of a network error, if we did something wrong in the Docker config or not. So let's take a look at it a little bit closer. And what I did in a little pre-troubleshooting here is I changed my security group, and you can see that I've added in port 8080 to be opened up to the world. So I changed the security group to allow 8080 in. So if I come in here, back to Chrome, and if I come to 8080, I want to see if that application can run. So I am live on port 8080, so the Spring Boot application has exposed 8080 correctly. And I did a little bit of further research on this, and there's a setting that we need to change. And I will show you that setting right now. So if I come in here, Control C out of that, and it's called set SEVOOL minus P. So I'm doing a minus P. There should be a space there. So this is an enhanced security setting for hardened Linux systems. So CentOS is that way. Oh, minus capital P. So that is case sensitive. Oh, missed an underscore. And that's an Apache, that's a OS level setting, not allowing the Apache daemon to connect to the network. So this is an enhanced security setting that we need to change to allow Apache from port 80 to proxy traffic. And I am not 100% sure, but I'm going to restart Apache just in case. So we'll bounce Apache for good measure, just in case. Now let's come back over to Chrome, and just as a refresher reminder, if I don't specify a port setting, it's going to go ahead and go to port 8080. So it was that enhanced security setting for Enterprise Linux. It's a security setting to harden it. So we need to open it up and allow Apache to proxy over to other ports. Now it's working as we expect. So now our Running for Brews application is up and running. It's deployed inside of a Docker container and running on our Linux VM that we provisioned on AWS. So I'm pretty happy with the way this is working right now. We are officially connecting to the RDS database that is running. So everything is running properly and deployed properly. The only other thing that I need to do at this point is I'm still running from a tab. So I can change this a little bit and have it run in the background, and then that'll be running as effectively a Docker service. I can set some restart parameters there, which I'm not going to get into at this point in time. Just want you to make aware that you can do that. But right now we are up and running, so I'm pretty happy with the way this turned out.